pawn shop, $5 tool pickup. The tools need some work. They need to be cleaned and oiled. I'll be using 3-in-1 oil, wire brush. First thing up, Craftsman number 2 Phillips, stubby. Some of the rust that's really bad will be scraped off using a flathead screwdriver and then wire brushed. I'll be cleaning handles with alcohol. Some before and after shots. Just trying to get these tools usable. Stanley number 0 Phillips. Ideal wire strippers. Some Sears needle nose pliers made in Japan, possibly by KTC, Kyoto Tool Company. Duralast Torx 1/4-inch socket. Looks like missing T30. This one was a nice find. SK number 1 Phillips, made in France, possibly by Facom. And these are some unbranded diagonal cut or side cutters, heavy duty, vintage. It looks like it's has HHD on there. I did a little research, couldn't figure out who made these, but if you know, let me know in the comments. Some Craftsman slip joint pliers. No part number. They look pretty vintage. Gonna be putting most of these tools to use. So Diamond Horseshoe Company, some more slip joint pliers. These ones are pretty beat up. Couldn't really get, or they're pretty pitted from the rust, but they'll still work fine. Another pair of diamond slip joint pliers. These ones much better condition, a little smaller than the previous pair. They cleaned up nice. And lastly, these big, I believe 10R vice grip. And these were pretty beat up as well. Cleaned the rust off, but they're really pitted, so they didn't turn out as well as I'd like, but they'll still do the job. So yeah, do you clean or oil your tools? If you do, what do you use? Let me know in the comments.